the opportunity we found was in barriers to entry. That's always been our model. Find out what people are looking for when they're expanding or launching a brand new casino. We attacked that as a model for quantum gaming, and we saw that the general barriers to entry within gaming were very, very high, substantial investments within the technology. So what we decided to do is take that opportunity to reduce the entry cost for the clients, allowing them to spend more of a budget on marketing. So that was a big opportunity for us, and it's succeeded in actually gaining the interest of a lot of clients.
Okay. So as a CEO of Quantum Gaming, how do you maintain agility and innovation in your approach to managing the business? And, how do you see this evolving in the rapidly demanding scale of the iGaming industry?
So this is actually very interesting because I've just made some changes over here. Number one, to remain agile, you need to hire the right people. So that's top thing you need to do as a business. And then allow you to focus on what you're good at. Myself, I like being here at the shows. I like seeing what's happening. So by freeing up some of my time, allowing good, competent people to run the business, I can be here, learn what is happening in the industry, but also develop our business and reputation. That's probably the biggest key for us. But any business you run is going to be built on how good your people are.
Sure. All right. It's on the manpower.
Everything is manpower.
What role, when it comes to data-driven decision-making, what role does that play in quantum gaming's industry, and especially in improving player experience and operator success?
Well, basically, data is your bread and butter. You cannot decide without it. Even though we are a relatively new business, we've been focusing a lot on what makes players stick. At the end of the day, the goal of a casino is to bring in a player, retain that player, and turn a 50 euro player a month into a 100 euro player a month. I'm just giving you an example, but this data is vital. And then looking at which behaviors, which games, which bonuses those players like, you use that data to optimize per geo. Localization is very important as well. But in all fairness, once you are a fully fledged casino, you don't really make any decisions without looking at the data.
Right. Okay. Data is very important.
It's key.
It's the answer to all the questions.
100%.
So let's look at pushing industry standards forward. In your view, what's one outdated norm in iGaming that needs disruption, and how is quantum gaming addressing this?
So I think it goes back to our business model, reducing the barriers to entry, making casinos more accessible, but at the same time, not being naive by assuming that anybody can launch a casino. I'll put my hand up. We made this mistake in the beginning, thinking we could offer anybody a casino who has a traffic network. But running a casino is a lot more than that. It's your casino management team, your risk team, your payments team. So there is a substantial investment. We want, instead of people coming in and paying for the actual technology, those budgets go towards building a solid team and a solid marketing plan.